Today we're going to continue our lessons on quadratics by learning how to complete the square. First of all, we have a warm-up for you today, so pause the video, work these problems, then come back and check your answers. Use the FOIL method on this binomial. We'll get 4x squared minus 4x plus 1. Notice we're squaring that, aren't we? 2x minus 1. This one's a wee bit different. When we multiply the last terms, we'll get a 16 minus 3. We'll have x squared plus 8x plus 13. Okay, for example 1, we've got two problems we're going to work, and we're going to solve by finding the square roots. The first thing we need to do, though, is isolate the x squared by adding 5 to both sides. Then you can guess what you need to do next, don't you? Divide both sides by 3. Now, something you need to remember as we're solving for square roots, or finding our square roots, is that a negative 2 times a negative 2 will also give you a positive 4. So our answer will be written as plus minus 2. Let's go on to work problem B. The first thing we need to do is subtract 10 from both sides. Then we're going to divide both sides by 4. We have x squared is equal to 9. So when we take the square root of both sides, our answer will be plus or minus 3. A reminder from section 4.4 on perfect square trinomials, it's the product that you get when you square a binomial. So remember the shortcut patterns that we learned? In example 2, we're going to find the solutions to x squared plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 25. Notice, perfect squares. That gives us a hint that we can factor this as x plus 2 squared is equal to 25. If we take the square root of both sides, x plus 2 is then equal to plus or minus 5. Now subtract 2 from both sides. We have the answer of negative 2 plus 5 or negative 2 minus 5. Negative 2 plus 5 makes x equal to 3. Negative 2 minus 5, our x will be equal to negative 7. Let's try another one. Perfect squares, see that? So we can factor this as x minus 7 squared is equal to 81. Take the square root of both sides. Don't forget, the square root of 81 is either a plus or a minus 9. We're going to add 7 to both sides. So our answer would be x is equal to 7 plus 9, or x is equal to 7 minus 9. So our answers would be 16 and negative 2. Very good. You're ready to begin working on the assignment.